What is up, YouTube fam? Feeling lost in a sea of content, like you're drowning in generic videos? Us too, but hold on, there's a secret weapon, your niche. Today, we're talking about finding your niche, the holy grail of YouTube success. It's what sets you apart, attracts a dedicated audience, and lets you become the expert, the master baker of your own channel. Imagine this, you're in a massive mall, overwhelmed by choices. But then, you find that perfect shoe store, exactly what you need. That's your niche. A niche lets you build a community of passionate viewers who share your flame. You become an authority, a baking god creating the fluffiest soufflés, a comedy king with the hottest pop culture takes. Alright, so how do you find this golden niche? Here's the ultimate strategy. Step 1. Passion power. What gets you fired up? What can you talk about for hours? Ancient Egyptian cat mummies? Boom, that's a potential niche. Love baking? Share your knowledge and build a baking empire. Step 2. Audience A-team. Let's see what people are craving. Use fancy tools like Google Trends and YouTube search to see what topics are trending. This tells you what people are interested in, what problems they need solved. Found a potential niche? Sweet. But don't dive in head first. Let's make sure there's an audience waiting for your awesomeness. Search YouTube. Are there other channels in your niche? Great. That means there's an audience, but also space for your unique spin. Social media check. Join online communities related to your niche. See if there's active discussion, a hungry audience waiting for content. Alright, you've got your niche, it's validated, now what? Time to brainstorm some killer content ideas. How-to tutorials. Become master teacher. Reviews and comparisons. Found the best budget-friendly makeup brands. Spill the tea with a review series. Challenges and experiments. Up for a crazy baking challenge using only ancient Egyptian ingredients. Solve problems. Think about common struggles people have in your niche and create videos that offer solutions. Be the hero your audience needs. Share experiences. Let your viewers into your world. Share your personal stories and experiences related to your niche. Stay updated. Keep your finger on the pulse of your niche. Create content based on the latest trends and news. Stay relevant, stay fresh. Engage with your audience, talk to your viewers. Ask them what they want to see. Their feedback is a goldmine for new ideas. There you have it. Finding your niche is the key to YouTube domination. Well, maybe not domination, but definitely success on your own terms. It's about combining your passions with what the audience wants and staying consistent. If this video fired you up, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep creating, YouTube fam, and I'll see you in the next one.